Everyone's talking about artificial intelligence like it's rocket science. But here's the secret. You don't need a PhD to master it. In fact, if you learn just 5 crucial skills, you'll understand 80% of what actually matters in AI. These skills will let you build smarter workflows, create AI-powered tools, and even fine-tune models for your own projects. Stick with me till the end, because once you see these 5, you'll realize how much of AI is not about memorizing math formulas, but about knowing how to use the tools the right way.
Hey friends, welcome back to our Brain Fully Loaded channel. If you're new here, I break down AI in a way that's simple, practical, and actually useful. Today, I'm giving you the roadmap, the 5 skills that will cover almost everything you need to start building with AI confidently. Let's jump right into it. Think of prompt engineering as the language you use to talk to AI. The better you communicate, the better results you get. Most people type something random like, "Write me a blog post," and then wonder why the output is generic. Prompt engineering teaches you to be specific, structured, and creative. For example, instead of saying, "Write me a fitness plan," you could say, "Create a 4-week workout plan for beginners who have no gym equipment, focusing on 30-minute sessions that gradually increase intensity." See the difference? Prompt engineering isn't just about writing fancy commands. It's about thinking like an AI whisperer. If you master this, you can unlock the true power of tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini.
Once you know how to talk to AI, the next step is making it work for you automatically. That's where workflows and AI agents come in. Instead of asking AI to do one task at a time, workflows let you chain multiple AI tasks together. For example, Step 1. An AI scrapes emails from a contact form. Step 2. Another AI drafts replies. Step 3. A third AI sorts leads into a CRM. Boom, you've built an AI assistant that works 24/7. Agents go even further. They're like AI workers who can decide what to do next based on your goals. Imagine telling an AI agent, "Research the top 10 competitors in my industry and prepare a market report." It doesn't just answer. It goes step by step, checks sources, and builds the final result. Learning this skill turns AI from a toy into a business partner.
This one sounds fun, and it is. Vibe coding means coding without coding. Instead of learning years of Python, you can use AI to generate code for you, debug it, and explain it line by line. You provide the vibe, what you want the code to do, and artificial intelligence translates it into real working scripts. For example, you might say, "Build me a website with a dark mode toggle and a newsletter sign-up form." AI will generate the HTML, CSS, and even the back-end code. This doesn't mean you never touch code, but it means the barrier to entry is so much lower. You don't need to be a software engineer to build AI projects. With vibe coding, you focus on the idea, AI handles the syntax. That's why this is one of the fastest growing ways people are learning to build with AI. Here's where things get a little deeper, but super powerful. Most AI models don't know the latest information. They're trained up to a certain point. That's where RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation, comes in. RAG means the AI can pull information from a database or documents you give it and combine that with its own reasoning. Example, imagine you have thousands of company policies in PDFs. Normally, ChatGPT won't know them, but with RAG, you can feed those documents into a system, and suddenly your AI becomes a custom knowledge assistant. This is the secret behind many enterprise AI apps, like chatbots that answer questions about your own business. If you want to move from just using AI to building real products, learning RAG is absolutely crucial. Finally, we've got fine-tuning. Think of it like this. AI models are generalists. They know a little bit about everything. Fine-tuning lets you train a model on your own data so it becomes a specialist. For example, a medical AI fine-tuned on health records can answer questions more accurately for doctors. A customer support AI fine-tuned on past chat logs can sound exactly like your brand. A creative AI fine-tuned on your own writing style can generate content that feels like you. You don't need to train a model from scratch. That's expensive. Fine-tuning is like giving AI a focused crash course in your exact needs. And this is the skill that sets apart hobby users from professionals who build profitable AI solutions. So let's recap. To cover 80% of AI, you need these 5 skills. Prompt engineering, how you talk to AI. Workflows and agents, automating processes. Vibe coding, coding without coding. RAG, connecting AI with your data. Fine-tuning, making AI a specialist. Master these, and you'll stop being just a consumer of AI, you'll become a creator.
If this video gave you clarity, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps. And subscribe if you want more practical AI breakdowns without the jargon. I'm planning a deep dive tutorial into each of these skills, so let me know in the comments, which one should I cover first? Until next time, remember, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to amplify you. The more you learn these skills, the more powerful your ideas become.